Today we are starting Incident Response Fundamentals Room, which is part of the Cybersecurity 101 learning path. For the introduction to incident response, imagine living in a heavily insecure street with many expensive things in your home. You must be thinking of having a security guard and a few CCTV cameras in your home. Hiding the expensive material inside a hidden underground room is a good idea if any intruder successfully enters the house. These are the things that you plan for the safety of your home, even before any attack occur. Besides these proactive measures, did you ever consider how things would work if someone successfully bypassed your external security mechanisms and gained access to your home? You must also take several other measures after your home is attacked. Let's take the above into the digital realm. You may have heard about a security attack on any organization that caused them to lose thousands of dollars in good cases. Several such cases are reported daily on the internet. These are referred as a cybersecurity incident. Just as in the above scenario where we plan for the security of your home, cybersecurity incidents also need some planning and resources to avoid huge losses. Incident response handles an incident from its start to the end, from deploying security in several areas to prevent incidents to fighting with them and minimizing their impact. Incident response is a thorough guideline. This room will help you understand the critical concepts of incident response and give you a chance to solve your first incidents. Perfect. We have a long way to go. Learning objectives. Overview of what are incidents and their security level. Common types of incidents. Phases of incident response from SANS and NIST frameworks. Tools for incident detection and response, along with the role of playbooks. Incident response plan. I think for this one, they will introduce us to ELK again. A couple of tools that we already went through. Just check the previous videos under my channel. We have a room prerequisite, the introduction to defense security, which is 100% complete. You can check it out under my channel and see what is this about. Answer the question below, click to proceed. Our hardest questions.